Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C43 AMG Cabriolet. This one is a Designo Diamond White Metallic with a red soft top. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 384 horsepower and 385 pounds of torque. Up front we've got a diamond style grille. For wheels we've got 19-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Bi-turbo 4MATIC badging. Cranberry red leather interior. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, AMG C43 badging. Opening up the tailgate, got a clean set of AMG floor mats. This one does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist. Also included is their Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, power windows, an AMG Napa leather with suede steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. This one does come with navigation, also advanced parking assistance with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, Parktronic, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This one does also have the AMG exhaust, electronic suspensions, our manual settings for different driving patterns, the button for the retractable roof. This C43 Cabriolet has 23,249 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C43 Cabriolet, check out feldmanimports.com.